What's up guys? Few days ago, Samsung Fold 2 live image leak in Chinese social media. Compared with the last Galaxy Fold, design completely changed. Galaxy Fold 2 has vertically folding design. It's similar to recently announced Moto Razr. As per the image, Galaxy Fold 2 has double camera setup in back, one camera lens in front. Galaxy Fold 2 has 6.9-inch display. Last time Samsung faced big trouble when they launched first Galaxy Fold device because of the display issue. Reputable leaker Ice Universe confirmed Samsung changed the display material instead of plastic to ultra-thin glass cover to avoid display issue. No any news about the internal specs. As per the rumors, device price below the $1,000. I believe this information can be true. Samsung try to reduce cost. It confirmed when we look at the back camera setup. Samsung plan to sell 6 million of Galaxy Fold 2 device. Latest news saying Samsung plan to launch Galaxy Fold 2 before the S11. Probably Samsung launch Galaxy Fold 2 in February first week. Let me know your thought in comments. Please do subscribe and ring the bell for latest update. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again. Peace out.